Hi dear, Assalamu alaikum. Today we have quite important lesson. This lesson is quite helping you with a single tip. Now it's my turn to tell you one thing is that in India, Pakistan and the whole country, they are neighboring with it, the other countries. They're always pronouncing the words as there is in a nature. What if we are going to make it alike and slightly as a native one? For example, two things that I'm going to give you is have and has. Most of the people, they pronounce the word have as have and has. This is kind of justice, I can understand. But what if we are going to make a slight change into it? The new aroma of speaking English, like a native speakers. For example, if I say you, the word have is if and has is. So we can say I've instead of I have, we can say I've, we've, they've. He is, she is, it is. Now let's have some example sentences. He has come. They've finished. She has no car. She has got no car. I've told you many times. I've told you many times. She has abused you many times. She has abused you many times. He has abused me first, but we should say he has abused me first. 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 I've not abused you. I've not abused you. I have not abused you. We should say I have not abused you. He is already gone. He is already gone. She has left you. She has left you. They have not finished yet. We can say they haven't finished first. They haven't finished yet. Or we can say they've not finished yet. Well, that's all for now. Thanks for being with me. This was a high-level English lesson to improve your accent, pronunciation, and also you can have new taste of learning English language. To get more advanced lesson in English language, stay in touch with EA English. This channel is quite helping to you in English, whether you want to make it more perfect, whether you want to improve yourself from the low level. All of the things that are perfect been put and a lot of effort that have been made for you. And now it's your turn to make work harder. And one thing more that I give you, English is also a language for communication. The more you speak, the more you practice, the more you learn how to speak. If you have learned this language only for a few days and then you have a longer gap or a few days you are not speaking, you will get the thing that there is a bad impact on your speaking. For example, if you don't speak one language that was your own native language, and if you have gone to another country and there is no language that you speak with, then you're going to forget it a little by little. What happens? Because there is a mind. It can only store the thing they are being repeated. If you don't repeat one thing, it cannot be remembered. So word remember is only means to remember, like memorize and rememberize. So practice more and more. To practice, you need, if you are keen to learn English, there are a lot of things, there are a lot of platforms that I want to tell you actually. Social network is an advanced network and a platform that you can assemble in one place. If you're not assembled in one place, then it's almost difficult. I can say you can never learn English. Just assemble yourself in a group, go live in videos, or try to join someone who is live in video. Forget about whether it's male or female, but try your best to become in the same sex, like male to male, female to female. You can connect with them. But if you are not, it's not possible to learn English for you. Now, one thing more that I want to tell you at the end of this video, having chat with friends is quite a stronger weapon that can help you to learn English. The more you practice to chat with them, the more it helps you to grow your English. And if you have learned a new bundle of vocabulary, You have to use it in your written work. I know, I understand at the moment when you have learned English just now, or when you have learned some new words, it's not possible to speak because it does not come on mind. It does not come in your fluency. If you want to become fluent, just write first. The written work is quite important one. Well, thank you very much for being with me, and do not forget, and I want to request to Pakistanis, there is a clear message for you. If you are listening me, hear the message. You know, there is a water issue in Pakistan that is going to be, that is alarming until 2025 nearabouts. So to make it not successful, you have to build up the dams. We need a lot of money, a lot money. And if you're in overseas, you are overseas Pakistani, you should help for it, because it's not your future, it's your children's future. I know if you're not making collection, you're not going to become a part of this dam is not possible. And nobody is going to, you cannot borrow money from everyone. No one can lend you money, because our country is already has borrowed a lot of money from different countries. And now it's almost impossible to get money on a special reason that you're going to build the dam, because it's not a definite reason for them. It's our reason. We have to make it. We have to build it. If we are not going to build it, then let's see, our children are not impossible to live here. If we have no water, the crops of this country, of our country, dear homeland, in Pakistan, who has given you a lot of things, who allowed you to live like independent, this independence will be ended. Your children will not like to live here anymore. They will not consider Pakistan as independent because we are under the debt. So only your little money that can help you to save Pakistan's future. So do not try to entangle with a lot of political parties. Do not interfere with that. Whatever the party it is, you have to be a part of, that is called the perfection of Pakistan, the prosperity of Pakistan. So this message that I have recorded for you is quite keen and keeps an importance for the future of Pakistan. Well, thank you very much for being with me. And a last message that I want to put you over down. No charity is small. Whether you have little money, don't feel shy. The charity is always charity. It's like drops of rain and it becomes like an ocean. So do not feel shy. How much money, if whatever the money you have, you can add, you can participate with that. You can add that money to bank accounts. You can check up there is a mobile sending messaging system, and also you can use overseas bank accounts. You can search that account details on the internet. That is quite helping, and this message, do not ignore this one. Thank you very much for being with me.